Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful high puff with a little side swoop, okay? Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for this beat. This face beat will also be on my channel. So now let's get started. First, I'm just going to take out the twist that I had locked up underneath my scarf. My hair is already washed, it's already moisturized. It just look a little frazzled because I just ripped that scarf off like I ain't had no business doing. Okay, so first you want to start with oiling your fingertips just to make sure that you're giving your hair a little moisture as you take your twist out. So just taking out whatever braids or whatever twist or whatever you had up under that scarf during quarantine. We got to take it out, we got to unleash the beast. And just be sure that if you're doing the side swoop, you want to be more careful with how you take out your twist in the front, because that, for me, that's the only part of my hair that I want to have definition for this look, because everything else I'm going to pluck out, and I just want the puff to be really big. So yes, just be really careful taking out that front of your hair, and be sure you have your favorite like oil on your fingertips when you're taking out your braids or twists. Now we're gonna go in with a pick, and we gotta pick it out. So just picking out your roots. If you want your puff to be like big, you gotta pick it out. Like, well, for me, yes, and I really will not be adding a whole lot of products like to my puff, because I want the puff to be big. Like, I want her to give me fro, give me like Angela, like I want her to be up there. So I'm not going to be adding a lot of water, because if I add a lot of water and a whole bunch of products, it's going to shrink. So yes, just keep picking out your roots. Well, as I'm doing, fluffing it out, picking it out, and boom. Okay. So yes, fluff that bad boy. See what we working with, pick it up to the side, and now we cooking with gas, okay? Now we are cooking with gas. So I'm gonna go back, start with my spray bottle. What's in my spray bottle? I have my favorite conditioner, and some aloe vera gel and water, and I'm only applying this to the perimeter of my head. Like, I'm not putting this all throughout my hair, because I want the puff to be big and I don't want it to shrink. So yes, only put that water, conditioner, leave-in on the perimeter. So now I'm using a regular old shoelace and tying that bad boy around. Make sure to take your bang or your like swoop out of like the ponytail. And after you tie it around, you want to make like 1 or 2 knots in the back of the shoelace, and then tuck it in. So that way like your ponytail like stays and it holds. Yes, now you want to fluff that out as you see fit. Fluff it out, period. Now we're going in with some edge booster, and this is the pineapple kind. It smells really good, and we're gonna attempt to add some swoopy swoops to these edges, because that's what people like to see, okay? Me personally, I really don't like adding a whole bunch of like gels and stuff to my hair. Like, I find it to be really drying, so I try to minimize the amount of gels that I put in my hair, especially since I dye my hair. I really don't be playing no games. But I'm like, I got this big old thing of edge booster, I gotta use it. So just applying some edge booster to the perimeter, going back in there, adding a second layer, because if I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it right, and I wanna make sure it lasts. And y'all know 4C edges do not like to be tied down. They be refusing, but we gotta make it work. So edge booster, your favorite edge tool. I have a little comb and brush attachment thingy thing. Edge booster, swoopty swoop. And yes, just do your edges as you normally would do, as you see fit. Period. Just period. Still swooping? Okay, I guess I'm still swooping. I told y'all, it be a struggle, low key, high key. But it works though. It works. It definitely works. So yes, after you do your edges, girl, you are done. Okay? You are done. So thank you guys so much, so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for this makeup look. So yes, bye lovelies.